Hello all, I welcome you all to a new video. Now I'm gonna show you how to create and delete a company in Tally ERP 9. I already laid a video regarding company creation and deletion in Tally Prime. If you want to check, please check the link in my description. So let's start. Now we can open the Tally ERP 9 software. In a fresh Tally, we can see the company info here. To create a company, select the option Create Company and type your company name. Here I am putting K&K Limited. Type your company address. Select your country and state. Please type your code, phone number and additional details here. Next, financial year begins from. You can type your financial year here. And books begin from. You can type your date. If you want the security controls or Tally Vault password, go for that. It's just only a demo, so I'm not going for that. Press enter and accept. Now we can see the company is created, K&K Limited. We can see the current period and no vouchers entered. We can see the additional details here. We can put our entry in accounts voucher and we can see the accounts info, voucher types, inventory options and display options too. So now we can delete the company. Press Alt F3 for company info and select the option Alter. Select your company which is created. Press enter. Company alteration. Plus Alt plus D for delete. Press yes for the confirmation. And now we can see the company whether it is deleted or not. Select the company. Now we can see it is successfully deleted. So thank you for watching.